see, our plane is now making a hard bank. And my Legos Bears Mo, this is the arrival of Alaska Airlines, November 514 Alpha Sierra, 737-800, flight 173 from Seattle to Lihue. We're arriving, I think, about 10-15 minutes late. No problem though. It's quite a cloudy day, but I'm sure it'll clear up a little later in the week. So we're gonna flap some more. It's a shame because how far I'm seated back, you can't really hear the sound of the flaps. At least you can see it though, that's nice. There they go, some more. Going some more. Oh, you can sort of hear them there. And then the engines, went down a little bit too. Looks like they're almost down to their lowest possible point, which I believe is 40 degrees. Alright. Usually we approach coming in from the south, where you get beautiful views of the like rocks and mountains and stuff of Lihue Harbor, but that just is not the case today. No, instead we are actually going to be coming in from the north. Here's that jet trail I love. Water's a bit choppy down there. Luckily I won't be going that far out. Hopefully. Sorry if the edge of the window keeps getting in frame. I'm trying my best here with this new camera. It's quite a wide angle lens, to be honest. It's definitely wider than my other cameras. I suppose while we're waiting to actually touch down, I want to share you guys a little anecdote about landing. So when my mom was landing here in Lihue once, she looked down in the water and thought she saw a whale, but it turns out it's just the plane's shadow. I've always kind of wanted to see that, but I'm not situated on the right side of the plane for that. Literally, I'm seated on the left. Alright, that's enough of that. Let's just get to the arrival. With me not talking. We are really, really close to touching down after 6.5 hours. Just make out the edge of the airport over there. Alright. Looks like we're arriving on the diagonal runway. This will be interesting. I've never done this before. Hopefully we won't Ryanair this landing. Well, there are the rocks. We go. Oh! Straight up Ryanair right there. Alright, you guys, we have officially made it to Lihue. Flaps going up right away. Wow, wasting no time with that. Jesus, that was a Ryanair landing. I was like, if Ryanair and Spirit had a baby, it would be this landing. But enough of that, okay? Let's hope we get a funny flight attendant little quit here.
He was over here too. He called and he's like, it's gonna be a public landing.
Whole cabin's in hysterics. Dang, that's actually a pretty fast slowdown, you know? Really quick that was.
His name is Ed and he offered us a bag. Yeah.
Let's take a moment to appreciate like these vistas here. So beautiful.
Aloha and welcome to Lihue. The local time is 11:54. Please note that 3-hour time change from Seattle. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until we have arrived at the gate and the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. That will be your one and only indication that it is safe to move about the cabin. You may not use your cell phone, but please keep your laptops and other carry-ons
Check this out. This like United 757 has their own version of the scimitar wing. That's the very top of it has that little spike like we do.
You may pick up your check bags at baggage claim. Alaska offers a baggage service guarantee.
I don't know if the 767s will do the same, but there's our Hawaiian 767 right over there.
In the unlikely event that they aren't, please
I didn't really know they landed here exactly.
or a discount off of your next flight. Thank you.
My prediction is we're going to gate 8.
Airlines, it has been our privilege to serve you. You can find us at Alaska.
Alaska Airlines usually goes to gate 8 when they arrive here.
And welcome to Lihue.
So is Maui your favorite?
Oh my gosh, those mountains are so beautiful. Well, I don't want to drag out the video much longer, but I'll end it on this United 757 here. Well guys, this has been Alaska Airlines Flight 173, November 514 AS, arriving in Lihue. I hope you guys enjoyed that very much. You guys next time. And I was right, we are going to gate 8.